Hi, let's take a walk. This is an Ecocamp or a desert camp. There are some of them around Yazd. This is one of them called ShahreAftab Ecocamp. It means Sunrise City. Um, it's a small area in the middle of the desert. It's built for entertainment. People come here, spend some time, and enjoy. It's a lot of noise and wind in this video, and I'm walking on pure sand, so it's a little bouncy, so sorry for that. The entertainments are the motorbikes, the dust bike, I think that's what they call it. You see in front of you. Um, Camel riding, horseback riding, um, off-road driving, some people playing volleyball, and we call it beach volleyball because it's sand. That's all you need for a beach. Or simply people just come here to have some snacks. This kid playing with the sand. And there are two camels in front of you. There's a horse behind them. Not very visible in this scene. It's in the middle of the desert, nothing around it. It's built like the old buildings, but they're actually new. So there was a live performance after this, so a lot of people were here. Music playing and stuff. It was the celebration of Nurse Day. Why is she running out of the bathroom like this? I mean, what did she see in there? This place will be so beautiful in the night because the sky will be full of stars. Beautiful to watch. I'll come here afterwards for a night video as well. And this is the safari riding or the off-road riding. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.